Green apples contain a compound called L-Malate that may have life-extending properties. Scientists at the University of California, San Diego conducted experiments on tiny worms called Caenorhabditis elegans. They found that when these worms were given a substance derived from L-Malate, their lifespans increased by about 25%. This substance, oxaloacetate, is naturally produced in our bodies when we eat foods containing L-malic acid, such as apples. The amount of L-malic acid in 100 grams of sweet apples or 100 milliliters of apple juice is between zero point 0.4 and 0.6 grams. Green apples likely have even more. The researchers think oxaloacetate works by slowing down certain chemical processes in the body, similar to what happens when people eat fewer calories. This is important because eating less has been linked to living longer in many studies. To test their idea, the scientists gave oxaloacetate to different types of worms, including some with changes to specific genes. They found that the life-extending effect only worked in worms with working versions of genes that are also found in humans. These genes become active when we don't eat enough and help protect our bodies. The exciting part is that the worms given oxaloacetate lived longer without eating less or growing more slowly. This suggests that it might be possible for people to get some benefits of eating less without actually having to cut back on food. However, more research is needed to know if this would work in humans. The scientists think people could safely take about 1 gram of oxaloacetate daily based on older research, but they suggest it might be better to get it from foods that contain L-malate instead. While this research is promising, it's important to remember that what works in worms doesn't always work the same way in humans. More studies are needed to fully understand how these compounds might affect human health and lifespan.